What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. And today, guys, I am gonna do 10 subscribers special again because I'm like so excited. I was very worried that even if I can even hit 10 subscribers, but I managed to hit. That's why I'm gonna celebrate that with playing games. Yay! Well, I don't think I can play today, World Chef. Um, um, what? Okay. Sorry for disturbance, guys. What? Sorry for disturbance. But today I'm gonna make the longest video possible in my channel. And by the way, if you do not subscribe to Micrographics 90, what are you doing? Subscribe to him. He's a very big friend of mine, YouTube. He only have 3 subscribers. Sadly, he needs to get more subscribers. And here we go. So if you don't know about this game, this is all about serving and all about your style. And by the way, please comment down below what should I name my restaurant now. It's a Rashmit Icon. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put for him this thing. He needs also a pizza. Well, what I need for pizza? 6. Okay, I need 1 cheese and 1 dough. That's fine. I can get now pasta with meat sauce, but I need to get this thing. And the background music is so good. See, he's also commenting down below. So good. Let me check what did I got for decorations today. First, let me check chefs. Okay, well, that is absolutely great. I don't have enough money. I forgot how to get. No. Okay, Oh, you need to cook bread to complete the order of one of your customers. What I need? Bread. Oh, I am putting some loading circles on him. Wow. And this is my store. I can buy whatever I want. Yep. Absolutely great. Here, I need tomato. And I only have 388. I don't even know what is this called. So, yeah. This is gonna be very cool. This restaurant is my favorite place. What do I need? 1 pizza. Actually, 2 pizzas. Do I have enough? Yep, I do. I need some cheese. This is a very cool game. Oh my goodness. Okay. Everybody is happy in my store. These guys are in my line. Guys, I'm sorry. I can only make for 4 minutes video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.